Every day, millions of people travel across bridges, roads, and buildings without realizing who made them possible. Welcome to the structural spectrum, where complex engineering meets real-world application. If you are interested in civil engineering, you are at right place, so let's start. Behind every great structure stands a civil engineer. But what exactly does a civil engineer do? A civil engineer plans, designs, constructs, and maintains infrastructures. Every project begins long before construction starts. Civil engineers calculate loads and create detailed drawings. Engineers supervise workers and ensure quality.
يلا حركة.
Even after completion, engineers inspect structures. Where they work.
So I should probably take a photo of like.
Platform 2, train to trams, attendant platform 2.
Civil engineers improve transportation, clean water, public safety, and economic development. The next time you cross a bridge or enter a building, remember the engineers who made it possible.